Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use the LoveSpouse app, how to install it, register an account, and connect your device to your phone. This tutorial works for both iPhone and Android users. First, let's start with downloading the app. If you're using an iPhone, open the App Store and search for LoveSpouse or LoveSpouse App 2. You can also scan the QR code that came with your device and follow the prompts to install the app. If you're using Android, go to Google Play, search for LoveSpouse or LoveSpouse App 2, or scan the QR code and choose the appropriate download option. Once the app is installed, open it and tap New User Registration if this is your first time. You can register using your phone number or email address. If your phone number doesn't receive the verification code, just switch to email instead. After registration, log in using your new account and password. Now let's bind the device. When you log in for the first time, tap the plus icon inside the app. Your camera will open. Point it at the product ID QR code on your device or the packaging. The app will automatically recognize the code. If you can't scan the code, tap Enter Device Code and type the code manually. If you ever want to rename or remove the device, just long press the device icon inside the app. Next, let's connect the device. Turn on your device first. Then tap the device icon in the app. If your phone's Bluetooth is off, the app will ask permission to enable it. Just tap Allow. For iPhone users, you may need to turn Bluetooth on manually in your settings. Once Bluetooth is on, the app will connect to your device and open the control interface. From here, you can explore the app's different working modes. There's a classic mode, where you can tap icons to activate or stop different patterns. There's a video mode, where you can select the video stored on your phone, and the app will sync the display with the device's motion. And there's a music mode, which syncs the rhythm of music playing on your phone with the device's motion. If you want to exit any mode, simply switch back to another tab in the app. And that's it! You now know how to download the app, register, bind your device, connect through Bluetooth, and use each mode. Once everything is connected, the app will remember your device so you don't have to repeat the setup every time. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more app guides, and drop a comment if you want help with anything else. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.